Okay, new video is about news. Okay, fake news or real news. Just call it fake news. I'm gonna title it fake news, but you know it's gonna be real. And okay, and here's the three guests. Okay, first one we're gonna talk about the arresting of the Huawei boss's daughter, Meng WanZhou. Meng WanZhou. English, Chinese is what? Okay, let me look it up. Meng WanZhou. Okay, her Chinese name is Meng WanZhou. Meng WanZhou 还是孟晚舟? I think it's Meng WanZhou. It's have the curl tongue pronunciation. Okay, Meng WanZhou. Okay, English is okay. That's her. It looks pretty good. This picture of her. Meng WanZhou, or English is Meng WanZhou, or some American way says Meng WanZhou. U.S. ambassador told to immediately correct arrest of Huawei CFO as diplomatic role deepens. Okay, they arrest her. It's more like kidnapping, because China is not under the law of the U.S. You can't do arrest like that. Okay, so they arrest her in Canada, or you can say they kidnapped her in Canada, and China wants her to be released. Okay, that's one of the things. Okay, another thing that happened, this arrest happened on the same day when they were having the G20 meeting, and at the same time when they were eating lunch, that lunch meeting, the US China lunch meeting. On the same day, Zhang Shoucheng, Stanford physicist and tech venture capitalist, dies. He's one of the top Chinese quantum physicists, and also part of the G5 developers or staff of Huawei. Some say he's the staff of Huawei. Well, the most important 5G staffs of Huawei. So he dies on the same day as Meng WanZhou got arrested. Okay, that's two things. Also, on the same day, the most important 5G machine in the world, Huawei's mask Huawei mask Alignor was burnt down. That's what do you call that? That's okay, here's the picture of the place burning down. It's a Holland ASML is that company or factory that produces the EUV this kind of machines. EUV, what do you call that? Don't have it. Okay, so a Holland company's factory producing this type of machines was burnt down, and they were producing these machines for Huawei, which cost $120 million. Okay, so that building, that factory was burned down on the same day. So 3 things happened, right? Meng WanZhou got arrested. The quantum physicist died or killed, I think, most likely killed by you know who. Also, yeah, this factory that produces these type of EUVs for Huawei was burned down. Here's the, yeah, 3 things. Okay. So most people, when you Google this incident, you can't. I googled it. Nothing came out. So I used, this is from the Chinese search engine. Okay. So 3 nasty things happened. So what really happened? And guess what happened? Who knows what happened? Anybody have common sense probably know.